Okay, good morning students. So today we will discuss the next topic of set operations, that is intersection of sets. So we are representing two sets and we are taking their intersection by this. This is the sign of intersection. Now what is the meaning of intersection of sets? Suppose it means if x belongs to A intersection B, that means x belongs to A and x belongs to B. That means x should belongs to both A and B. For example, if I take A equal to 1, 2, 3 and suppose I take B is equals to -2, -1 and suppose 2. So what will be A intersection B? A intersection B will be the common element of both the sets, and you can see clearly the common element in these two sets is only 2. So this will be your intersection B. So this is how we will find the intersection of sets. That means the element should come both in set A and set B simultaneously. Otherwise you cannot find the A intersection set. If no element is common, suppose you came to have a set like this, written 1, 2, 3 and one set suppose is 0, -1, -2. So if you take A intersection B, it will be the null set like this. Okay, so if no element is common, in that case, what is A intersection B? It will be the null set, or we can write it as like this also. You already knew null set. And so in case of the intersection of sets, we will write the common elements. Okay, only common elements between sets we will write. No other element we will consider whenever we take out A intersection B. Whereas what was A union B, if you remember, in this we are taking all the elements which are present in both the sets. So this is the main difference between A intersection B and A union B. In this we are taking all the elements, and in this we are taking only the common elements. So this is how you can calculate A intersection B. Okay, let's discuss the exercise 6.3 and let's see what we will do in this exercise. Suppose I have a set that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. And suppose one set is there K, E, I, O, U. Okay, so these are the two sets and I have to calculate A intersection B. So how I will calculate? See the common elements I am underlining. This is A, one A is there, so A. Then no B is there, then no C is there, then E is there and E is there, so E. And afterwards C. There is no other common element in both the sets, so this will be your A intersection B. So I have taken only the common elements in both the sets. No other element you will consider other than the common elements. Okay. Suppose we have, it is something is like this, factors of 10 and Q is equals to factors of 12. So again you cannot calculate the intersection or union of the sets in this form. This is the description form. So first we have to convert it into the roster form, that is 1, 2, 5 and 10 and Q will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So again if we have to calculate P intersection Q, so common element we will take 1, this is 1, then 2 is there and 2 is there, then 2, and see no other common elements are there. This is 5 and 10, this is 3, 4, 6, 12, so this will be your P intersection Q. Okay, so like this you just take the common elements which are present in both the sets, not any other element. Okay, let's see the questions likes of this. So again, this is the set builder form. So we have to convert it into the roster form. Then how we will convert? This is x plus 1 into 8. So x plus 1 less than 8. So 1 will go there, 1 will come here. It becomes x less than 8 minus 1 or x less than 7. That means it is actually x less than 7. So we have to write all the natural numbers which are less than 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and only till 6 because it is less than. In this it is x plus 3 less than equals to 5. So 3 we will go there. You can write it like this. That means x is less than equal to 2. So it is actually x is less than equal to 2. So what will be your b? B will be 1 as well as 2 because it is less than equal to. Okay. Whenever this sign is there, so it is less than equal to sign. So we will take 2 also. So now what is our A intersection B? The common elements, that is 1 and 2. So this will be your A intersection B. Then it says multiples of 3. Okay, you have to read the table of 3 till 20. That is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. Okay. Multiples of 3 between 1 and 20. So these are the multiples between 1 and 20. Then what is your set Y? Even natural numbers. Okay, even natural numbers, that means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay. Now you can calculate at x intersection y. So let's see the common elements. 6, 12, 6 and 12. So this is your x intersection y. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate the intersection of the two sets. And first convert the set into the roster form. Then check the common elements like these are there. Then you just write the common elements between the two sets to find the intersection of two sets. Okay, let's discuss one more question. So A is a prime number and it is less than 10. So prime numbers less than 10, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, remember this thing, 1 is not a prime number. Okay, many times all are written 1 as prime number. Remember this always, 1 is not a prime number. The prime number starts from 2 only. Then B is an odd number, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 because it is less than equal to 10. And what is your C? C will be an even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 also. Why 10? Because again it is less than equal to. So we have all the three sets now in the roster form. Now we will calculate A intersection B. So A intersection B means common elements, that is 3 and 3. So 3 is there. Then 5 and 5. 5, 7, 7, 7. So this will be A intersection B. Then we have to calculate B intersection C. So C 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No element is common, that means B intersection C is null set. When you calculate A intersection C, so if you see carefully, only 2 is common in both the sets. 2 is there A and 2 is there in C. So it is A intersection C is 2. Okay. So like this you can calculate. Then let's discuss the questions likes of this. Now all the three sets are given, A, B, C, D. Now we have to do the operation. First we have to calculate A union B. So what is A union B? All the elements A, B, C, D, F and H. Intersection C. So what is our answer will be? Answer will be all the common elements, that is D, F, H. So it is D, F, H. Okay, like this. Then we have to calculate A intersection C union B intersection C. Okay. So first we will calculate A intersection C. So what is our A intersection C will be? A intersection C, let's see what is A intersection C. So this is A, this is C. So common elements will be D, F, H. D, F, H. Then what we will calculate? B intersection C. So B intersection C, that means common elements are D and D. Okay, only D is common. So what is their intersection? So their intersection will be D, F, H intersection D. So only one element is common in this, that is D. So answer will be D. Okay, like this you can calculate. Next, we have to calculate A intersection C, A union C intersection B union C. So first we will calculate A union C, that means all the elements B, 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 A union C, that is B, D, F, H, G. Okay, so A union C will be B, D, F, H, G, and B union C, A, B, C, D, F, G, H. So what will be their intersection? Again the common elements, that is D, F, H, G, D, F, H, G and B. So answer will be B, D, F, H, G. Okay, so this will be the operation of this set. Now in the last part we have to prove that whether this is equals to this. So A union B intersection C. If we calculate what was A union B intersection C, A union B intersection C was, this was our answer, D, F, H. And what was this? A intersection C union B intersection C. So answer was D, and you can see very clearly, so that we can write that A union B intersection C is not equal to A intersection C union B intersection C. Okay, so like this you can calculate the intersection of two sets. Again I am repeating, first you have to convert the set into the roster form if it is not given. Then for calculating the intersection of the sets, you will take the common elements present between the two sets. Then you will write those common elements into this curly brackets. This is how you can calculate the intersection of the sets. Okay, next topic that we discuss will be complement of the sets.